Welcome to the 24K Life. I'm Derek Gant, and I am the founder of the 24K Life Code. And today I want to talk to you about minding what matters. And most importantly, minding your mind, because that is the single most important thing that unequivocally, unmatched, unparalleled, that matters. You know, what story are you telling yourself that's holding you back? What are you saying to yourself that's keeping you complacent? What comforts are you indulging in over and over that they're just become a habit? That's just a way of your life. Because I want to share with you that if you truly want to get to the next step, the next level, the next fitness level, the next financial level, the next relationship level, you have to check in with yourself. You have to do inventory and figure out where and what your shortcomings are. People want me to teach them how to be financially successful. And I want to teach people how to keep more money, how to make more money, how to attract more money, how to attract more relationships, how to attract things that belong to them, but they don't seem to be coming to them. And it's all possible. Don't think that for 1 second that I'm not continuously working. And the reason why is because we're never there. Yes, I'm here sharing money tips, but I'm using those money tips. There was a time I didn't, and I suffered like everyone else. Made lots of money, spent lots of money. But if you mind what truly matters, you're going to figure out that it is your mindset. It is your story. You're telling yourself, I really need this thing, when it's not a need. It's not even really a want. It's a whim. And that's the thing that keeps us broke. It's the thing that keeps us complacent. It's that hunt for comfort, that hunt for complacency. Just leave me alone. I don't want any issues. But we're creating our own issues. And that's why it's so important to take 100% radical ownership for what you are doing, where you are, and how you got there. Yes, I'm sure there's some economic factors that were out of your control. I'm sure that there were some circumstantial relationship things that were out of your control. But what's in your control is how you react to all of those things, how and what you tell yourself about your past. And that means, what are you telling yourself about your future? If you want to lock in and figure out how to truly get outside of this, you have to be prepared to be uncomfortable. And there's nothing wrong with being uncomfortable if you get comfortable with being uncomfortable. So don't forget, this is all within your control, all within the palm of your hands. Hey, if this touched you, like and share, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be bringing you more information every time I get an opportunity to, hopefully daily. We'll see. I'm Derek Gant. Be your best. Bring your best. Leave nothing to chance.